Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the glass door in the Grundig 27000B. So in the first step you have to open doors of your appliance. Now as you can see they have a gray element that you have to lift up. Let's release it, and as you can see now you can freely remove the glass door. Just leave it, and if you want to clean it under the water or something you can now freely just remove it. To put it back, just put in the same position the glass and close it with the cover, but it's a little bit hard to put it back in the right position instantly, but let's try. Okay, do not be afraid to use a little force, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, comment, goodbye.